Meet "せいちょう," a useful word you will hear when talking about children growing up, personal progress at work, or a company expanding. Imagine how much more natural you will sound when you can say things like, "Her growth as a singer surprised everyone." "The company reported steady growth last quarter," and "Children's growth is monitored by doctors," in Japanese. Ready to level up your Japanese? Then let's get started. 成長 成長 The word 成長 means growth and development. When you hear 成長, it can refer to a child getting bigger, a person improving skills and maturity, or an organization expanding over time. In simple terms, 成長 is the process of becoming bigger or better over time. The first kanji means become. It expresses the idea of becoming or completing something. In the word seiko, it gives the sense of achieving success. In the word seiritsu, it shows that something is brought into existence or established. Common readings are sei and jo, and the kun readings are naru and nasu. The second kanji means long. Its core idea is length or an extended state. In the adjective nagai, it literally means long in size or time. In the word shacho, it contributes the idea of a leader or head of a company. The common onyomi is cho, and the kunyomi are naga and osa. To grow, to develop. 成長する成長する A child's growth, development. 子供の成長子供の成長 Growth rate. 成長率成長率 Rapid growth, explosive growth. 急成長急成長 To achieve growth, to grow significantly. 成長を遂げる成長を遂げる The most common synonyms of the 成長 is 発展 and 発達. 発展 tends to mean large-scale growth or expansion, business, society, economy, and often implies outward progress or improvement compared with 成長, which can be more neutral and apply to personal or natural growth. 発達 focuses on functional or stage-based development, skills, child growth, organs, and emphasizes maturation or capability changes. Whereas 成長 can simply mean getting bigger or maturing in a broader sense. The most common antonyms of the 成長 is 衰退 and 減少. 衰退 describes deterioration or decline in status, strength, or prosperity, and is the qualitative opposite of growth, used for industries, reputations, abilities, while gensho refers to a quantitative decrease in number or amount, sales, population, and contrasts with seicho, when growth is measured by quantity rather than maturity.